Hana Sharif and I'm studying in 6th B. I'm from Wadi Rahma English School, Kodiyathur. We had studied in cybersecurity, visual coding, HTML, and now we are studying Python. I had a project Python 3. I completed it. I really like this project. I used rectangle, triangle shapes for this project.
Hello, my name is Safa Shamia and I am from class 6C. I am from Wadi Rahma English School. Here I am using Python turtle to make a tree. I am using the shapes rectangle and triangle for the tree. Using Python for coding.
Hi, my name is Padaman, studying in grade 8 in Wadi Rahma English School. I have created a Python program which name is Python Calculator. It is same as the calculator but made it in Python language. It can do as the calculator have like addition, subtraction, multiplication and etc.